going on with this M52 E30 swap, Matt?
Quick update on the swap. Looks like the customer is pulling out. He only wants to do the transmission for right now, but we do have a much cooler E30 that the entire swap is gonna go into. Whose is that, Colin?
It's mine. I finally bought a project car, Matt.
That's what's up, dudes. Flash forward a week or so, new pistons, all new timing assembly, everything's refreshed, ready to go. Going in Colin's Hot Boy E30.
What the hell is this, Noel?
It's a Toyota Hi-Ace, as they call it. Sounds like a gun. For all you Stu boys.
Where are we, Noel? We haven't introduced the space yet.
Oh, shit. Welcome. Turnstile Part 2 is our expansion. Right here, we got fab area. We got a lift going here. Come follow me. This is where the fun starts. This will be our waiting room and showroom area. Merchandise, we got you. Wanna come say hi? We got you, just come wait in this room. We might have a driving sim here later, I don't know.
We practically like doubled in size. A little over doubled in a year?
Yes.
New car, Vic?
New car, bro. Today.
You should.
I just don't want to f it up.
You're not gonna f it up. It's all open track. If there's a tire wall, let's take it easy in that area. You'll be
hole.
totally caught, 100% stuck. This thing's gonna have a definite angle kit 2 months after our track event.
Oh boy.
What are we doing to the Supra, Matt?
Coilovers. Pretty simple. Vic, how fast can we knock these out tonight?
3 hours.
I don't know about being the best chassis, but it was a great one. Just an 8.6 on steroids. I don't know what we're disagreeing on.
Yeah, it's the best Supra.
I know. Well, it's not the best.
I know! No! I got his ass.
True.
I have it on video.
Okay. First of all, I didn't say it was the best Supra. Settle this. In the comments below, let us know what the best Supra is.
I'm right here. Pop the clip out, the line, separate it from the strut, make sure the pads are out.
I am prepping the bottom of the coilovers so I can weld them to the knuckles.
This is gonna be really cool and I'm really excited about it. I love walk-in. I love walk-ins. I'm here. Like, are you okay though? How are you, dude? Ready? Yeah, dude.
Perfect fit.
Now I've seen a man hog a hole, but I've never seen a hole hog a man like that.
Dang, bro. Bro, did you just fucking fart on me? What the?
One down, one to go.
Whew. An hour and a half in. You think you're gonna make it in the 3 hours?
You better.
Mother.
Tell me when you're ready. We'll start taking them off.
Okay.
It's still on.
Cool. Boom! Don't even need a spring compressor.
It's almost 7, Vic. You think we're gonna make it on time?
I'm gonna say yes for now.
First wheel's back on. How you feeling, Matt?
I'm feeling pretty good. I think it looks great for heartily measuring it out of the box after just putting the coilover in just to see where the ride height is at. I think it looks pretty good, man. So we're gonna drop it down, see where it settles, and then go from there.
It's 7:16 right now. We have one wheel back on. What do you think of it, Noel? How it sits?
It's gonna look thick. Might be a little too low though.
Is there such thing as too low, Matt?
Yeah.
And then he's like, oh, you're recording that?
Sharpie holder from episode 1.
Indeed.
How's it going, Vic, on those coilovers?
Not too bad. Not too bad.
Not too bad. You think we're gonna make it to 9?
Tonight, I don't know. What time is this?
I don't know.
Whoa. You want me to touch it?
If you want to, honestly, you probably could.
He wants me to touch it.
It's almost 9. We said we'd get this car done in 3 hours. Now, we're almost there. We were close, but hey, that's pretty good for a coilover job.
Especially when you had to weld in.
This is remove stock stuff, take the knuckle off, cut the knuckle down, clean it, prep it for weld, prep the coilover in, prep that for weld. I TIG welded it, so that adds time.
This truss to the left?
So like from right here all the way over to the door.
Yeah.
That We'll open up this space.
What about that side of the wall? You keeping that intact?
Yeah, well, if you look from this side, this was the side that was originally like cut open.
Oh,
But if you
I
go
see.
on the other side, it's Coney Boy.
Yeah, that's true.
Dude,
We don't want to cut up Coney Boy. I'm looking forward to it. We got a lot of work to do in this space.
Are we still planning on doing our car show grand opening?
Yes, we'll be releasing that.
Keep an eye on our Instagram right now.
Yeah.
Drop the car down. You can't drop the car down yet. What? The other wheel's not on. You don't have the other wheel on yet? Dude, I just told B to put it on. Is this wheel okay? Yeah, this wheel's good to throw on.
And this, good work's hard to find.
This guy's told you, all he does is yell.
9:19.
20 minutes off.
3 hours and 19 minutes.
I mean, that's not bad.
Not bad.
It's coming down right now.
Everyone, good job, good job, good job. Yes.
The next day.
How's the E30 swap going?
It's swap, dude. We're just pulling the motor for now. It's at my house.
At your house?
V12 transmission and adapter. So I can essentially mock it up. So it's kind of cool.
Big, you're doing a great job, bro.
I left it on the arm.
When are we swapping the V12 in it?
It's gonna take some time, but I'm gonna try and work on it from now until my birthday, June 9th. It's a little tight.
You're tight.
Vic, your car is pissing everywhere, bro.
Fuck that is, dude. Thanks, dude. Crusty.
Has that ever worked, Vic?
Only guys.
Wait, only guys?
Well, we're doing some golden hour photos, and hopefully we're gonna go for some like pretty cool like night shot stuff. We're rolling hard though. We're gonna be taking the R33, getting some of the rollers in the shop IS, and then Vic brought out his
New car.
Been a good night photo shoot. Got a lot of good media, got a lot of rollers. Now it's time to like get some grub, dude. I swear to God, there's like a little fuckboy.
We just finished shooting Jap's car, the R33 Skyline, and now we're in downtown trying to find some food.
To become a videographer, dude.
He does.
He's gonna be our backup cameraman.
I liked it.
You liked it?
I like my room.
Out of 10,
Pretty
how
good.
much?
Out of 10?
Yeah.
7.5.
Wait, you fraud, wait, you fraud.
Hey, man.
What a good way to end this vlog.